In this video, I'm going to show you how to add CAPTCHA to an Elementor form. For example, if you already have an Elementor form created and you would like to add a CAPTCHA for security, you can absolutely do this. To begin, open a new tab in your browser and search for reCAPTCHA, then hit Enter. From the search results, click on the first link from Google Developers. On the page that opens, click on Get Started. When the next screen loads, scroll down slightly and click on Get Started once again. Now you'll be asked to configure your CAPTCHA. The first step is to give your CAPTCHA a label, so I'll type in Tutorial for this example. After that, select the type of CAPTCHA you want to use. The reCAPTCHA v3 is a more advanced version that works based on a score system in the background without requiring the user to click on anything. However, you can also choose the simpler reCAPTCHA v2, which shows the I am not a robot checkbox, and sometimes requires users to select traffic lights, cars, or other items in a picture. Once you've selected your preferred type, you will need to enter your website's domain name. You can also assign a name to your Google Cloud project here. Once everything is filled out, click on the Submit button. At this point, you'll be provided with two keys, the site key and the secret key. Keep these open as we'll use them in the next step. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, hover over Elementor and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, switch to the Integrations tab. Scroll down until you see the sections for reCAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA v3. If you selected v2, you'll paste the site key and secret key into the simple reCAPTCHA boxes, and if you selected v3, you'll paste them into the v3 boxes instead. Copy the site key from the Google reCAPTCHA page, paste it into the appropriate field, then do the same with the secret key. After entering the keys, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now head over to your Elementor editor on the page where your form is located. Click on your form to edit it. From the left-hand side, click on Add Item, then in the Type drop-down menu, select reCAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA v3. Depending on which version you chose earlier. Once you've done that, you'll see the CAPTCHA appear on your form. Publish the page by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. If you open your website in a new tab and refresh it, you'll see the reCAPTCHA in place, ensuring that users must verify before submitting the form. This is how you can successfully add CAPTCHA to an Elementor form.